Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So when you data updated you today that what Nazareth Nabi said about Elmesen Dove performance. Nabi said, I have to congratulations to him, Elmesen Dove, because it is not easy to get into this kind of a game and played 90 minutes with the intensity. We played hard after 8 months of injury, Nabi said. It requires a lot of mindset and play with a big character. Defensively, he gave us very good balance. So, offensively, we could not ask him everything in one day, but he managed to finish the 90 minutes. He is also that has not played a lot, but since December, he has been training consistently with his teammates and we saw that he must play and he played very well. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop a video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.